Hello everyone, and welcome back to another interesting video. Today, we're going to delve into an essential aspect of Python programming, modules and packages. So if you are ready, let's get started. In Python, modules and packages are essential concepts for organizing and structuring code in larger projects. They help in achieving modularity, code reuse, and maintainability. Let's dive into each of these concepts in detail. Modules. A module in Python is simply a file containing Python code. This code can consist of variables, functions, and classes. Each Python script you write can be considered a module. Here are some key points about modules. 1. Code organization. Modules help organize code into logical units. You can group related functionality within a single module, making it easier to manage and understand. 2. Code reuse. Modules facilitate code reuse by allowing you to import and use functions, classes, and variables defined in one module into another module or script. 3. Namespace isolation. Modules provide namespace isolation. This means that the variables, functions, and classes defined in one module do not interfere with those defined in another module, unless explicitly imported. 4. Importing. Modules can be imported into other Python scripts using the import statement. This allows you to reuse code from one module in another module or script. 5. Standard library. Python comes with a rich standard library consisting of modules that provide various functionalities, such as math, OS, datetime, etc. For example, suppose you have a file named math_operations.py containing mathematical functions like add, subtract, multiply, and divide. You can import this module into another script using import math_operations, and then access its functions like math_operations.add. Packages. A package is a collection of modules organized in a hierarchical directory structure. A package directory must contain a special file called __init__.py, which can be empty or can contain initialization code for the package. Here are some key points about packages. 1. Hierarchical organization. Packages allow for a hierarchical organization of modules. This means that you can have sub-packages within a package, creating a structured hierarchy for your code. 2. Namespace packaging. Packages provide namespace packaging, which allows you to group related modules under a common namespace. This helps prevent naming conflicts and makes it easier to manage large codebases. 3. Importing. Modules within a package can be imported using dot notation. This allows you to access modules and their contents from other modules or scripts. 4. Initialization. The __init__.py file in a package directory can contain initialization code that is executed when the package is imported. This allows you to perform any necessary setup or configuration for the package. 5. Distribution. Packages are often used for distributing and sharing code. Python's packaging ecosystem, including tools like pip and PyPI, Python Package Index, makes it easy to distribute and install packages. For example, suppose you have a package named utilities containing modules like math_operations, string_operations, etc. You can import the math_operations module as from utilities import math_operations, and then access its functions like utilities.math_operations.add. Benefits. 1. Code organization. Modules and packages help organize code into logical units, making it easier to understand and maintain. 2. Code reusability. Modules and packages promote code reuse by allowing you to import and use functionality from one part of your codebase in another part. 3. Namespace isolation. Modules and packages provide namespace isolation, helping to prevent naming conflicts and keeping code modular and encapsulated. 4. Scalability. By breaking code into modules and packages, you can scale your projects more effectively, as you can easily add, remove, or modify functionality without affecting other parts of the codebase. Overall, modules and packages are fundamental to structuring Python code effectively. They promote code organization, modularity, and reusability, making it easier to develop and maintain complex projects. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.